Right, supak, right? Supak means to go against, right? To disobey, dili masugod, to violate, oppose, contradict, right? You're gonna disobey pretty much. Disobey something. Iyot, okay, so you can read this, right? Iyot is a slang word and it's that, right? I'm not sure if I should say it, but whatever, you know what it is. Iyot. Lugas is the kernels, um, the kernels or pieces of grain that have been dehusked. So these grains that have been dehusked, like you know, just the tiny little particles and pieces of these grains and kernels. So it could be like corn, rice, things like that. Lugas. So let's say that you were eating and you were eating too fast, and then you actually had lugas or these particles in your face, right? So you can call that lugas. Patag is a flat land, right? The plains are something that's just flat area, a flat place, right? Plains, like like maybe a basin or something, like in geographical terms. Now, walog is the opposite. It's a valley. Itoy is puppy. Miming is kitten, right? Libak is to backstab, right? Libak is to backstab or to talk bad about somebody behind their back, right? So we have the words like libakero, which is manlilibag, right? Manglilibag. Libakero is manglilibak, and libak is just backstab or talk bad about somebody, which a lot of Filipinos love to do. Bahang is a smell of rotting food or spoiling food, right? It can also be just anything that has to do with dead organic matter. So things that are just rotting away, whether it's a human body or a human corpse or an animal corpse or just food that's spoiling. Yeah, that's the word. Is bahang. It's just really bad rotting smell. Sukli is cambio, right? And then we know sukli is to be like the change given, right? The change given back from larger denominations of money. Sincilio is loose change or coins, like any coins that you have that you can pay or any loose change, stuff like that. Sincilio. Sometimes stores only accept sincilio, so sometimes they'll only accept coins, stuff like that, right? Balatang or batang in some dialects like mine is batang. It means the hips or the pelvic region. Um, dan agan, right? Dan agan or dan ag is to illuminate something, like light given off. So let's say that the moon was giving off light, it was illuminating light. So dan ag would be a good word to describe that. Uh, Lanay is tuna, right? It's for something to melt or to liquefy. Like it's just liquefying and it spills over. Boom. So lanay is that word. And loko is tikongkong, which also means to curl up, right? To curl up. Loko. Okay.